Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm deep in the AI world every day, and like many of you in the US, I've used Google's Gemini extensively. It's powerful, especially with Google integrations. But what if you need something different? Maybe you want better coding performance, a focus on privacy, or just a different price point. I spent time testing the top competitors, focusing specifically on what works best for us here in the States. This video is the straight-to-the-point answer. What is the best Gemini alternative for a US user? Let's get right into it. 015 to 145, the top 3 contenders, straight-to-the-point comparison. Visual, clean, quick-moving graphics/table of the 3 key models and their strongest points. Focus on the model name and a single key feature. After putting these models through their paces, I've narrowed it down to 3 main rivals, each one better than Gemini for a specific use case. 1. Trophy for the all-rounder, ChatGPT, OpenAI. My experience, honestly, ChatGPT, powered by the latest GPT models, is still the most versatile player. It feels like the AI that's been in the game the longest, and its refinements show. Why it's a top alternative: it has the largest ecosystem of custom GPTs and plugins, which is a massive plus for US users who rely on integrated workflows. If your goal is general purpose, high-quality output, creative writing, brainstorming, complex dialogue, this is your go-to. The downside: if you need real-time, deep integration with Google apps like Docs or Gmail, you'll need external tools or browser extensions. 2. Magnifying glass tilted right for research and fact-checking, Perplexity. My experience: when I need a factual answer, especially for academic or technical research, I switch to Perplexity. It's an AI-powered search engine, not just a chatbot. Why it's a top alternative: for me, the citation feature is a game-changer. As a US user, getting reliable, verifiable information is paramount, and Perplexity gives you source links with every answer, which Gemini sometimes lacks for deep research. The downside: it's less suited for long, creative, back-and-forth conversational tasks. It's designed to answer a question, not write a novel with you. 3. Shield for advanced reasoning and safety, Claude, Anthropic. My experience: I've found Claude, especially the Pro version, to be excellent at complex reasoning tasks, like dissecting a long legal document or analyzing a massive spreadsheet. Why it's a top alternative: developed by Anthropic, a company co-founded by former OpenAI executives, it has a strong focus on safety and ethical AI. In my testing, it handled massive context windows incredibly well, often summarizing and reasoning through documents that choked other models. The downside: its web integration and general knowledge aren't quite as seamless or real-time as Gemini's connection to Google Search, but for pure text analysis, it's a beast. 145 to 220, final verdict and my personal pick. Creator back on screen. So, which one is the absolute best alternative for a US user? It comes down to your primary use. If you do a little bit of everything, go with ChatGPT. Its versatility and massive feature set make it the best all-in-one replacement. If you are a student, analyst, or researcher, Perplexity is the clearer choice because those citations give me peace of mind. That's my take, based on my own direct experience using these models for work, for research, and for fun. The AI landscape moves fast, so drop a comment below and let me know which one you use, and why. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.